Hello, this is a special unboxing. It's not just any unboxing, it's the Oneplus 6 Marvel Avengers limited edition. Yeah, it's limited, it's powerful, it's rare. Everybody wants it. Everybody, including Thanos. Okay, it's pretty obvious what's going on here. Okay, there's a box, there's a cup, there's some toys. What does this mean? Obviously, it's my Swayamvar. No, it's not. It's an unboxing of the Oneplus 6 Marvel Avengers limited edition. So I have the honor of unboxing it. It's gonna be fun. Okay, let's get to it. Let's start with the side. Slit. Is that sound added in post? What's going on? Let me take out the plastic. Oh, this actually is the best part of the unboxing. After this, it's all downhill. Let's do this. Now, this is the part where it drops. This is very cool. It's going to be very quick. This doesn't take time at all. Let's switch off the gas. Oh, it's out. First impressions, super cool. This is awesome. Look at this. Now let's do the pop. That's what Dharmendra would say.
Stay drop pop.
The second best part about unboxing, which is taking off the phone plastic, to reveal the sweet Avengers logo. You know, before we get to the phone, let's check out what's in the box. Okay, first of all, presentation is awesome. I love it when people put some effort into the box. We have the charger, we have the iconic red cable. I think this red cable is super cool. You get a greeting card. It says, Infinity outshines the force of lightning, outclasses power. Okay, I will not finish this because it just turned me on in a nerd way. Oh my god! Whoa, it's a medal. It's a cool Infinity medal. What? Everything you want. It's not even the phone. The medal also you want. Take this, take Hulk. As you've noticed, the phone, by the way, is super slippery, right? So you're like, hey man, I'm gonna drop it. I will drop it, 100%. Surprise, these buggers have given you a limited edition Iron Man cover. It's insanely cool. Let's get to the phone. Now visually, how is this different from the other versions which are not limited? Now if you look at the finish, it's a cool carbon fiber finish. It's super cool. Like I like how it looks. It looks fancy, it looks premium. So yeah, if you want to show off, this thing to go. I would recommend you give away your old phone, give it to a new family. Don't keep it in your drawer as backup phone. You should treat your ex with respect. I'm gonna power it on. Oh, sweet wallpaper! This phone also has a face unlock, which is very bad for the phone though. The phone's like, I don't want to see your ugly face. It's so sad. You force like, hey, and the phone's like, chee. Unlock kar diya. The screen is much bigger this time. It's great. Like, there's very less bezel. Oh, you thought I wouldn't know that word? Because I'm a comedian and I don't know tech terms. It's Gorilla Glass 5, which means 5 gorillas have tried to break it. Gorilla Glass 4 means 4 gorilla. You know what I'm saying. So it's super strong. It's a great display. It's beautiful. And you know, sometimes when I want to treat myself, when I'm feeling rich, I put full brightness. You know that joy you get when you put full brightness? You're like... Now the phone comes with an insane processor, a Snapdragon 845 processor. It's insane. It's super powerful. Hey, what? It's my childhood. Everything you want. What is this? First you wanted the phone, then you took the medal. Now it's coffee, first of all. You want the phone, you have to earn it. Okay. Why are you crying? Okay, you know what? You want the phone? Earn it. Let's play for it. Fair and square. You get to keep the phone. Cool? Yeah? Awesome. What is this blue stuff? Huh? You don't wash your hands. When you take over Galaxy, you don't have 1 minute to wash your hands. Obviously, we can't have a phone review or unboxing without talking about how good the camera is. The camera is so good that the problem is you. You make the pictures look worse, not the camera. So you need to start reviewing your face, not the phone. Okay, most gentleman game in the universe, thumb wars, come on. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Let's go for it. Oh, where's the Infinity Gauntlet now, dude? Huh? Where is it? The portrait mode is in the back, and in the front there's a beauty mode. Why? Because you are not beautiful. This phone is. Okay, so let me take a selfie. As you can see right now, the phone doesn't need to use that feature. Hey, who's this? Who's this tiger? Huh? Let's do the second most fair game in the universe. Rock, paper, Kenchi. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Why they took full Avengers to defeat you, dude? Damn easy. Now let's talk about charging. This has dash charging, so for 30 minutes we charge, you have enough for the whole day. Which is horrible for me because the only time I spend time with my family is when I charge my phone. So that means mom and dad, girlfriend, future wife, you get 30 minutes of my time. So now how do you get one of these babies in your hand? First is you find a willing partner, and then you fall in love and you get married, and then you have a child, and that's how you have a baby in hand. I feel this is the best version of the Oneplus 6. How do you get this phone? Go on Amazon, type this phone's name, you get this phone, add it to your cart, comes to your house, okay? It's super simple. It's as simple as Thanos just snapping his finger and the half of the universe just dying. Oh my God, is it constipation? I don't feel that good.